Is your IONIQ 6 alarm constantly going off? Let's pinpoint the cause. Most false alarms stem from faulty door hood switches or overly sensitive interior sensors. Start by visually inspecting all doors and the hood to ensure they are completely closed and properly aligned. Even slight misalignments can trigger the alarm. Next, check the door hood switches themselves for any signs of corrosion or damage. For interior sensors, understand they detect motion inside the cabin. Pets, shadows, or even temperature changes can set them off. To mitigate this, adjust the sensor sensitivity in your car's infotainment system under Vehicle Settings Security. If aftermarket accessories like window tint or roof racks have been installed, these can sometimes interfere with the sensors. Removing or adjusting them might resolve the issue. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the false alarms, try resetting the alarm system. A simple reset involves disconnecting the 12-volt auxiliary battery for 10 to 15 minutes. This clears the car's body control module memory, which can fix software glitches. Alternatively, try using the key fob to lock and unlock the car 5 times in quick succession. If the problem persists, it's likely a deeper issue requiring professional attention. A Hyundai dealer can use a scan tool to read fault codes such as B1180 for sensor failure. They can also reprogram the body control module. Remember, Hyundai issued a recall, NHTSA campaign number 23V657, to address faulty alarm control modules. Ensure your vehicle has the necessary software updates, version 1.3.5 or later, or hardware replacements. For persistent issues, consulting a certified Hyundai technician is crucial to avoid DIY attempts that could void your warranty.